Hello and welcome to the breadboarding stage of this computer build. I have the camera very high up and I hope it's not going to fall over and hit me on the face. That would be very nice. Do not copy this at home. This is not who's supposed to do it, but I don't have any main boards holding devices or mechanisms available. So I'm just going to be breadboarding this on this table. So let me get just all the parts that I will install just to see if everything still works. Let's go. Okay, so don't be fooled by this box. This is from my current main board, which will also be replaced. This is my old main board, which still holds up pretty well, I think. I've been waiting patiently for a couple of days for all this stuff to arrive. I really hope this isn't a stupid idea, but it should work. I mean, I don't see why it wouldn't. Yeah, this is the second main board that I ever owned. This is from my first PC build. It's got an AMD Phenom 2. 6-core 1090T, and I got some Corsair memory, XMS3, 8 gigabytes, so that's 4, 8, 12, 16 gigabytes in total. Yeah, let's start with the basics. I had to put in a new CMOS battery, that's what it's called. I'm pretty sure it's called CMOS. Because obviously the old battery was fucking dead, so let's replace that. There we go. Right, so the new things that I got were this CPU cooler, SSD, and there's gonna be a new case, which will be the final assembly. I'm just doing a little test right now. So far I only spent about 80 bucks, something like that, for the rest of the ingredients. This graphics card is not very good, by all means. I think it should be alright for the basic applications that my sister wants to use it for, which is probably just gonna play Minecraft, or just like general office stuff. So this will be plenty, I think. This is a MSI GeForce GT 710, a very shitty graphics card that I only used because my old graphics card died and I really needed a new one. I bought this for like 30 euros, which is ridiculous. Put this in, should be alright. Of course, we're not gonna have the standoffs, but should be okay. And obviously we need a CPU cooler. And I'm just going to keep the CPU cooler on there once I'm going to do the final assembly in the new case. Yeah, this is an Arctic Alpine 64 GT. This fan cost me 5 euros. Ridiculous, right? It's very small, quite cute. It should fit right in. Thermal paste is pre-applied. It's going to be fine for the use that it's going to get. I know this thermal paste is not very good, but it's okay. So one side is longer than the other one, or they're both the same. I think they're both the same. Yeah, so this cooler is a little bit weird, must admit. You kind of hook it in. Oh god, is it too big? That is a tight fit, holy crap. Okay, put this on, hook it in, there, and then hook the other one in. Hopefully I'm not going to break the motherboard in the process, that'll be sad. Hey, there we go. Nice and easy. Now we put it in CPU fan. You could plug in the PCU already. Just get everything power. Oh yeah, the nice thing also, we don't need to power the GPU. It's all powered by the thing. That's pretty good. And we have power. Here's the PCU. Ugh. Alrighty. We should probably also put in the SSD now. It's quite a small SSD. 120 gigs, but it'll do. I'm going to put a mechanical hard drive in here once I'm doing the final assembly. But in this day and age, you really need to see an SSD. God, this thing is so light. It weighs almost nothing. What the fuck? Oh yeah, this is a Crucial BX 500 122 gigabyte SSD. Obviously it needs this. And let's put it in SATA 2. SATA 2. Is this all SATA 2? Oh, this board is old. SATA 2. Wait. Port. SATA 3. Here we go. It was hidden. Now we just need power. Obviously. The big fuck off power cable. Here it is. There we go. There we go. Did I miss anything? SSD. Power. Power. Oh, we need this one, of course. Here we go. Ooh. All right. Now we have everything. This cable, SATA, SSD. Ah, SSD needs power. Of course it does. I'll just pick a random one. Absolutely beautiful. I have a HDMI cable connected to my TV so I can test it. Obviously, we need to install Windows 10, which I will do in a second. I think I can switch the power supply on. And now I need to short the cables, obviously. And I'll switch to TV Vision. Okay, TV Vision is activated. Now it's time to short the cables. Power pin. Here we go. Time to short. And it's on. Nice. Now we just wait. Hey! There we go. CMOS settings wrong, yeah, no problem. Select proper boot device. Okay, that looks good so far. So I'll install Windows 10 now. It's gonna take a while, and then we'll test bench the rest. See you in a bit. Okay, so far so good. I might have installed the memory incorrectly. Only have 4 gigabytes available. It's not running in dual channel. So I'm gonna have to fix that. Okay, after a lot of fiddling around, I managed to have my RAM set properly. I don't know why it didn't work earlier. The dual channel was just kind of fucking around, so I just kept swapping them. And eventually, Windows accepted it. 16 gigabytes of RAM. And I can even run Minecraft, which will be the game that my sister will be playing. And it runs beautiful! So now that the test bench is complete, it is time to put it into the case, which will happen in the next part, because I don't have the case yet, so... But for you, it'll only be a couple seconds. Okay, bye! New PC case arrived. Yeah, boy. Ooh, I like that. Oh, that looks fucking sexy. Oh my god. Okay. Yeah, it's a really cute little case. Oh, it was sideways. Oh, shit. Okay. Here we go. That's the case, boys. It's an AeroCool. What is it? Cylon RGB in white, because that looks sexy as fuck, and I've already seen videos about it on the internet, and apparently there's this dust cover on it which is magnetic. That's kind of cool. People say this is tempered glass. I want to set the record straight. It's fucking acrylic, okay? Get it right, guys. I recommend getting one of these. That makes computer repairs a lot easier. I got this one from Aldi, actually. Aldi. Please sponsor me. 4 screws holding the acrylic in place. Acrylic. Not tempered glass. This case costs like 35 euros. It's not gonna be fucking glass. Like, it doesn't even feel like glass. Why do people keep saying it's glass? It makes me so upset. I don't know why. This is for all those peely boys out there. This is kind of hard. I'm gonna get my fingerprints everywhere. Oh yeah. It's the back one. Oops. I'm gonna do it real slow for you guys. Oh yeah. That's the shit. Yeah, acrylic. Tempered glass does not do this, okay? Okay, I'm done. Spots for fans here. I do have some spare fans left over from my last computer. Cable management is going to be a little bit hard because I'm not very good at cable management, but I'm going to try really hard for you guys. Manufactured in China. Because it's a 35 euros fucking PC case, okay? Has enough space for everything. And a shroud for your PSU, which is always nice because without a shroud, it's gonna look like shit. So this is good. Okay, so now it's time to build. Stop recording. Okay, so now that everything's ready, it's time to build this baby. This cable's kind of stupid. Seems like we can put the SSD either here or on the back. Don't know what would look nicer. Put it right here or on the back, just kind of hidden away. Probably look neater if we do it in the back. Then I can hide the cables a little bit better. I'd say let's do the SSD first, or maybe we should put these cables on the back here. Don't know how we're gonna put them. I think I'm just gonna pull them through here. This hole right here, and then I can just cable tie everything together. So it looks a little bit better. I've been watching a lot of build tutorials, so hopefully this time I'm gonna do a good job of cable management, because I'm really not that good at cable management, unfortunately. Alright, there we go. This is kind of hard. How do you access the CD drive, I wonder? Do you have to pop this whole thing off to access the CD drive? I mean, we're not gonna need a CD drive. Nobody fucking uses CDs anymore. I'm not gonna bother with the CD drive. I do have a spare CD drive, but I feel like you don't really need it. Let's do it a little bit neater. I can probably take this metal bit out. I really don't want to fuck this up. I should probably take the front off as well. That would make things a lot easier. Okay, I think you just pull on here. Oh god, this is kind of flexing. Oh, there we go. That was easy enough. Yeah, and then the whole thing comes off. Nice. Ah, so this is for the LED strip. This needs power. Okay. Nice that everything is like contained in here. It's quite good. Oh yeah, I want to take this off. A little bit in the way. Yeah, I think I can just break these off. That's what these are made for. Just be careful. I don't hurt myself. Maybe I can punch it through. Let's see. Oh, this is harder than it looks. Actually, you know what? This might work with some scissors or something, or a razor blade. You don't technically have to do this, but I'm just going to because it would look a lot better. Let's hope this comes off easily. Ooh, there we go. Maybe sand it down right after or something. I wonder why it has a slot to put in a CD drive, even though you have to take off the whole thing in order to access it. Kind of weird, don't you think? Cut. There we go. Now I should be able to just flip this and take it off. Nice. Very good. Just gonna round it off so I don't accidentally cut myself. That would be a bad time. Okay, nice. Now we have a little bit more space to work with. And probably more airflow too. Okay, let's put this back on. Maybe I should leave it off for now. I'll do this once I'm finished. Okay, could do a little better with this cable. I think this is as clean as I'm gonna get it, honestly. Okay, nice. Let's cable tie these. Or zip tie. There's already a zip tie here, but I'm just gonna take it off. And they gave us a couple of zip ties, which is always nice. I'm just gonna put these on here and keep them out of the way. And all these cables are nice and tight. I know you're supposed to do the zip tie stuff at the end, but might as well do it now while we're at it. Put the SSD in. The cables are probably going to run through here. There we go. Kind of stays like that too. Could just leave it, but I'm just going to screw it down. It's a bit of an odd angle. Oh, it works. Probably only need 2 screws actually, but I'm just going to do 4 just in case. You never know. These screws are not magnetic. That doesn't make it very easy. I've never had non-magnetic screws before. Very weird. Okay, that's SSD is going nowhere. Time for the throw the bolt. Or maybe the PSU actually. And unfortunately this is kind of a shit one. Okay, I think we just pop this right here. Yep. Is there a sticker on the side? No, very good. Oh, this is actually quite small. I thought it was gonna be a tighter fit. Okay. Okay, let's think. Which cables do we need? We definitely need this one. We need a SATA, but that's gonna be here. Maybe should use this one. There's some Molex on it for some reason. Just put it here. Obviously we're gonna need a SATA cable running through here. Okay. I think I can screw it in. Okay, which screws do we need for this? Oh yeah, fan orientation. Is the fan down here? Or is it on the other side? Ah. Maybe I should do it the other way actually, because the fan is going to be blowing on the bottom. I'd like to put a fan right here for air cooling the passive graphics card which I have, which is probably going to run very hot. So, okay, let's put this here. There's a sticker here, I'm going to take it off to make the PC look a little bit nicer. I saw a video by Bitwit and he was reviewing PCs, and he said that one of the worst things is to have a sticker on the side because that's going to look bad. It's going to make it look a little bit more professional. Nice. I doubt you're going to see a lot of it anyway. Okay, oops. There's a hole right here. Oh, bollocks. Okay, I'm going to do it like this. Is my screwdriver not magnetic, or is it just the screws? Very weird. It should stay up by itself. Very good. Yeah, that does look pretty clean. Okay, that is in there. Very nice. God, these cables are so ugly. I think I shall put the motherboard in now. I would like to get the fans and put them in right now. Yeah, alright, I'll do that real quick. Be right back. Okay, unfortunately I only have these really ugly looking ones. But I'm sure it'll be okay. I mean, you can always upgrade. And they have the old Molex cables and also an LED, but I'm not gonna be using that, so could just probably take the cables out actually. Maybe I can just cut it off actually. I don't know if that's a good idea though. These are quite old. These are from my first PC build. Even uglier looking green one, because I was an edgy gamer kid. Ooh, this one's PWM though. That's pretty good. Wait, no, 4-pin is PWM. Okay. We'll see which one I'm gonna put in. I'd rather put these clear ones in because then I can choose not to have the LEDs, which I'll do if I just cut it off. Is this a bad idea? I'm not quite sure. Like, wrap it around and then just stick it together, so you're not gonna see it. This is for the LED, right? I think so. Pretty sure it's the LED. If it's not, I'm fucked. Well, there goes the cable. There we go. You're not gonna be able to see that. Yeah, we'll put this on right here. If you can see that. Oh, right there. That should be alright. I hope there's gonna be enough airflow. I'm gonna do an intake here. There should be air like coming through the thing. And then this is gonna be the exhaust, and I'm gonna have another one here that's also gonna be the exhaust. I'm gonna put it here, I'm gonna put it right there. Yeah, that should hide the cable nicely. Oh, this is actually kind of loose. I don't have any fan screws, I just realized. Oh, that's not good. Okay. I'm off to get some screws. Okay, I found some fan screws. I got these black ones. And if I run out, I also have some golden ones. Golden ones are gonna look a bit shit, but, you know, Yes, very good. Should probably do the bottom ones first, actually. Kind of flexing the plastic. Oh, I hope it's not gonna break. Okay, that is on there, nice. I'm gonna put the exhaust fan on as well. Can you even put fans through there? Probably. But yeah, I was gonna put a fan here as well. God, that's gonna look ugly as fuck. Oh my god. I could snip the LEDs off though. I have this big one. That one's not gonna fit. Oh, the holes don't quite line up. Should be okay though. I think it'll be alright. Okay, I'm gonna do that last though. I'm not gonna put that in now. So you gotta fit the motherboard in first. Gotta think of a way to put the cables. Could like flip the fan, put the cable behind the motherboard through here. That could work. I'm just gonna unscrew this fan and flip it around. Okay, here we go. Is this the right orientation? Yep. Good, good, good. Nice and tight. Yes, time to put the motherboard in. Always put the I/O shield in first, kids. Doesn't quite want to fit. Come on. There we go. Beautiful. Okay. Time for the motherboard. Realize that I'm doing this on the floor. Not ideal circumstances, but I really don't have another choice. Motherboard time, motherboard time. Okay. Does it have all the right standoffs? Seems as I do not have the right standoffs. Okay. Let's fix that. So down left, down right. Really doesn't want to go in. Come on. Need a tiny little turny thing. I don't really have one. Can I use these? Scissors maybe? This one went in with no problems, but that one really doesn't want to go in. If it's stupid, but it works, it ain't stupid. Okay, good enough. And another one there. That one went in like a dream. I don't know why this one doesn't want to go in. Very weird. Now is the moment of truth. The holes align so far. I'm gonna have to do this on the floor. Oh god. This is kind of hard. And let's put these bad boys in. Alright. Take the bit up. Okay, that is on there. Nice, nice, nice. I'll probably put the graphics card in, that'll be a good idea. Maybe I should do that last though. I think it's okay if I put it in now. And it's gonna be right here. I think you just take a screwdriver and turn it. Is this the right one? Wait, let me check again before I break the wrong one. It doesn't quite want to come out. Oh god. Oh, is it because of the screw? Oh god. Rookie mistake. Oh god. Oh no. Oops. Okay, so it seems as if you can unscrew this. I'm used to old PC cases and just being able to pop these off, so this is a bit new to me. I think I can take this off. Aha! That wasn't the right one though. There we go. Okay. Interesting. I still have to break it off though, so I was technically correct. Ow, fuck. Ah. Well, now it's off. There we go. Oh. Don't mount it upside down, guys. Okay. There we go. Nice and tight. Okay, now we can put this back on. Oh, this really doesn't want to stay on here. Okay, that looks nice. Looks very cute. Time for some cable management. Oh god. Ooh. Okay, this is gonna be a little bit fiddly. This is for the switches. This is so hard to see. Oh, I hate these small ones. They are very annoying. Very annoying indeed. There's really not a lot of room to do this. First one. Next one. Reset button. Power LED on the top left. Power button on the top right. Down here. There we go. Ah wait, I put them in wrong. Okay, that one's in. Next one, power LED and power button. Oh god, this is so hard. Well, that was a huge pain in the ass, but I got them in. Okay. Hope I did everything correctly. It'd be very unfortunate if I didn't. Okay, time for HD audio probably. Card reader. Okay, so this needs to go in the USB one. There we go. Flip them around. There we go. Nice. It's gonna look so tidy. 2 more USBs. Wait, one of them is HD audio. HD audio, here we go. And USB, okay. Here we go. HD audio. It looks a little bit ugly, but there's no better way I can hide this cable. Okay, and another USB. Yep, okay. The fan, obviously. Okay. I don't think we need that Molex. Pretty sure I can just cut it off if I don't need it. I'm gonna leave it on for now. Yep, I'm definitely gonna cut this off if this works. Because that is a sight to behold. Very disgusting. Okay. Oh yeah, the USB 3. And this for some reason? I guess if you don't have a USB 3 header on your board, you use this instead. But fortunately I do have a front USB 3, which is good. Oh, why is it all the way over there? That does not look very nice. Okay, I'm gonna have to take the graphics card out again. Yeah, that should work. Okay, let's see. God, that is ugly. Oh my god. Why do they do this? This is stupid. Do they want you to have a shit fucking looking PC? Really weird. Okay, well that's in. Okay, that looks a little bit better than as if we just put it in. I think we have all the cables connected now. Time for the PSU. Okay, obviously, first things first, we need this. Okay, there we go. Not sure what this is for. USB. IDE. Oh, it still has an IDE board on it. Okay. Why not? Need to put this cable in here somewhere to hide it a little bit more. Now we need power for the components. Oh no. There's no way I'm gonna be routing this through here. Oh fuck. We've run into our first issue. Oh no. Oh, why is this so short? It would work fine if we put it behind the motherboard, but I don't think there's enough space. It looks like the cable would fit right through. Maybe I could try that. Too bad I can't take even more off and route it through the top here. Ah, motherboard's in the way. Ah. Okay, maybe if I unscrew the motherboard a little bit, I can push it a little bit and put the cable through. Okay, I'm gonna try that. so far it looks very clean, except for these pieces of shit, but that's okay. Yeah, this, I have to put it in like this. I also have to take this fan off because it's in the way. Should have thought about that before, Andro. I was scared that it wasn't going to be long enough, but if I route it through the top, that should be completely fine. Oh, I really hope I don't have to unhook the whole motherboard. It should theoretically just move a little bit if I unscrew the top screws. And it should be enough to take out, to pull the cable through. The moment of truth. It seems like there's enough give to the motherboard or to the point where I can push this cable through. Okay, let's see. Put it through here. And then just gently pull back. Yes. Yes. Okay, a little bit more. Just till it's through. Now I just gotta fit this on here. Oh god, this is like millimeters. Holy shit. Oh, of course it has to be the other direction. Oh no. This cable is not long enough. What were they thinking? I need every millimeter of this cable. Oh my god. Oh, it's in. Yes. Oh my god. Holy crap, that was the hardest fucking thing ever. Oh yeah, that click, that beautiful click. Oh my god. Oh yes. Oh, I'm so smart. Oh, this has worked. There's a little bit of tension on the cable, but that is fine. Ah, everything for a clean look. Am I right, guys? Woo! Okay, I'm gonna take a quick break after this victory, and I'll be right back. Okay, after some thinking, I may have made a mistake cutting this. I realized that this is not actually for the LED, but for the actual fan. Oops. But I guess we'll find out. Maybe it's those pins. What was I doing? Oh yeah, I got the fucking cable in here finally. Now it's routed through the back. Hope it's not gonna be in the way. That would be nice. Ugh. Here's the panel. Goes on like this. It might be okay, actually. Wait, no. Ah, panel goes on like this. Okay. Yeah, looks alright. Okay. Let's continue with the cable management. Okay. So obviously we need SATA. Here's a SATA cable. There we go. And I put it in the bottom one. Okay. I think I can put the fan back. This one's already overturning. Might have done it a little bit too much. That's okay though. It's not gonna be the end of the world. Looks pretty clean so far. Oh yeah, right. We gotta put the motherboard screws back in. Okay, nice. Motherboard is nice and tight now. Very good. Just gotta hook up this fan again here. Almost there, guys. Almost. Everything else is plugged in. USB 3 is in. Now the only thing we need is the SSD power. And that's it, I think. And this fan, obviously. Which I did completely wrong, because I'm an idiot. Yeah.
Okay, we need one SATA, please. Don't need these PCIEs. Not gonna be able to see that anyway. One SATA boy. Oh, he's a Molex. Let's see if I actually fucked up this fan or not. We'll find out. If the LEDs are lighting up, then I definitely did. Might have cut the wrong cable. That is a big oof moment right there. Okay, this goes in like that. Okay, SATA's in. Can put these in here. Is it a good idea to shove these in here? I mean, as long as you don't see them, right? Should be okay. Could probably use some more cable ties, but it's fine. Ah, of course. Ah, wait, let me take this out again. Obviously, this front panel needs power. Wait, what was the SATA that I had earlier? I don't remember. Wait. No, I think I got everything. Maybe we should do a little bit of cable ties. God, I hate these clunky cables. Let me take the hard drive things out. We don't really need them. I might put a hard drive in here, but I think it's not needed. Okay, that's it. Let's put the side panel back on. Oh yes, a lot of cables. Oh god. There. Nice. Okay, that doesn't look too bad. Put the screws back on. Alright. What do you guys think? Does this look alright? It could look a bit better, but wasn't much I could do. You can kind of see the cables shoved in there, but if you look at it from the front, it doesn't look too bad. Okay. I think it's time to switch it on. Ah, SATA. That's the one I was missing. Oh, of course. The front panel. Of all the things to forget, I forgot the front panel. Is there a way I can take a SATA cable out of here without doing too much of a mess? Ah, I almost got it. Ah, my fingers are too fat. I really don't want to take the side panel off. Okay. Side panel's coming off, boys. I knew there was a SATA that I forgot, I just didn't know which one. Okay, there we go. Almost. No. Ah, so close, come on. Okay. There we go. I'm not gonna screw it in. Okay. Let's pray that it works and that I didn't cut the wrong cable off of the fan. Let's go. Oh, it spins. It spins. Okay. That looks good. That looks very good. Here's the LED panels. You can kind of see them from the outside. Inside, I mean. Ooh, that does look pretty cool. Let's switch to the modes. Green, blue, white, yellow, blue, pink. Ooh, I like the pink one. Or a rainbow effect. Now this looks fucking dope. Oh my god. And a weird flickery effect. This one looks cool too. Red flashing. Ooh. That is very pretty. I'm gonna leave that rainbow on. Oh, wait, wrong one. Yeah. Rainbow power. That looks fucking great. I like how it also illuminates the inside. That's kind of cool. All the fans are spinning. This one's spinning as well. Maybe not as fast as it should, but it should be enough airflow for all the parts. I might put one here. I just don't really have a fitting one. I have this one. It looks kind of ugly, but it'll probably do the trick. Is this stupid? Would this work? To have like 2 fans? Is this dumb? Probably right. Or I could do what I planned earlier and put one here, so the graphics card can get some cooling, and then it would automatically go out here and out there. Maybe that's a good idea. I'm just not sure if there's enough air coming out of here. I'm just gonna put it on here, why not? Thank God I actually didn't cut the right cable off. I didn't cut off the wrong cable, I mean. That is very fortunate. Very nice. And the PC is very quiet, which is nice. Screen fan's gonna look ugly as fuck, but I don't have anything else. I only have this really big one. That's not gonna fit though. I could even go as far as putting this one up here as well. And then I would have airflow for fucking days. Maybe I should do that. Ooh, wait, there is a Molex here. This is probably what this is for, to put more fans on. Yep, that's good. That's on there. Okay. Just realized that is wrong. Shit. Oh no. I went through all that trouble and put it upside down. That was a fail. Oh man. Okay. Nice and tight, nothing rattles. Very good. Now let's put the top one on. Ooh. Is there enough space? Oh god. There might not be enough space. Ah, yeah, that's too big. Okay, that doesn't work. I mean, I could put it one lower. Nah, this doesn't work. Shit. And it would look kind of dumb if I would do this. I suppose it only has one exit then. Air here, air here, and air out. Could get like a small fan and put it here, I guess. Too bad I don't have another one. You know what, maybe I can take this and run it through the top instead, and then I can just plug this one into here. And then I can control it as well. Maybe I should do that. Just gotta take it back off again, which was so hard to put in. Look at this mess. Ooh, wait. When I connect this with this, will I be able to control the other fan? Because I could connect this here instead of the power supply. I could connect it with this thing. That way, I can probably control it with the motherboard. That sounds like a plan. And then all I have to do is plug this into the top one. If I can fit it through. Oh god, this is gonna be hard. It might just reach though. You can kind of see it. I don't think it looks too bad though, honestly. Maybe it looks bad to you, but I think this is fine. Right, let me put the back panel back on. Almost. Come on. You can make it. God, this is annoying. Is this in the way? Once I'm getting this one, this is never coming off again. Yes! I did it! No! Ah! God damn it, I accidentally loosened it. How did I get it in earlier? Nope, bottom's loose. Oh, this is it. Okay, screw this on before it fucking falls off again. Whew, God, that was annoying. There's a little bit of a bump, but it doesn't look too bad. Yeah, that's alright. Okay. The moment of truth. I should probably switch on the TV as well. Moment of truth. Will this boot, what is it called? Post, that's the name. Okay, are you ready? I'm not. Wow, ugly green LEDs. Oh, please post. Oh, it's posting. It's posting. Oh yeah. Nice. It is working. It is working. I'm finally done. I can probably hand tighten them. I don't need to. Oh no. Oh no. Oh fuck. This is why you take the foil off after you finished building your PC. I just put scratches in it. Oh no. I put it on something and now it has scratches. That is unfortunate. I do have some plastic polish though. I might be able to polish that out. Let's ignore these scratches for now, okay guys? Just ignore them. Hey! Windows is booted. Everything seems to be working. Mouse. There we go. Let's check Task Manager. Is the RAM still? Why? Why? This PC hates me. Now we only have 8 GB of RAM again. I don't know why it does that. That is very annoying. The RAM might be a bit old, I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna fix this off camera, but other than that, I think this is done. Everything works. And it looks nice. And it has some pretty good airflow, I think. Oh, there is air coming out of the top though, that's good. God, that fucking RAM shit gets on my nerves. I don't know why, it spontaneously just decides to have 16 GB of RAM or 8 GB of RAM. It's very weird. To be fair, I do have some pretty old PC parts. Okay, it's not posting anymore. That's probably not good. Oh, no. Okay. Well, we'll switch it off. Please post. Okay, it's posting. Good. Okay. Yeah, it's running in single channel again. I really don't know why. But yeah, that's it. I think this PC looks pretty good for being kind of made out of old PC parts, but this should be completely fine. Ooh god, for someone who enjoys playing Minecraft or just doing basic office stuff. And I think this case is nice. It has everything you need. Yeah, very good. Okay, never mind. I guess I do have 16 GB of RAM. Maybe it just had a weird bug. Maybe my RAM is about to die. I don't know. Okay, I didn't even do anything. I just booted it back up and now it's fine.